In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever had your text spill past the edge of a cell or disappear behind the next column, this walkthrough will help you present your data neatly without cutting anything off. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along and get results right away. First, open your Google Sheets document on your desktop. You can use any modern web browser. Once your sheet is open and visible on the screen, you're ready to decide where you want text wrapping to apply. Next, select the cell or the range of cells where you want the text to wrap. You can click a single cell if you only need it in one place, or click and drag across multiple cells to apply it to a whole area at once. Selecting a range is helpful if you have longer notes or descriptions in multiple cells and want them all to display cleanly. Now, look toward the top of your screen and go to the Format menu. This menu sits in the main toolbar and contains options that control the way your content looks and behaves. In the Format menu, click on Text Wrapping. A small set of choices will appear, showing different ways your text can behave inside a cell. You'll see options such as Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. We're going to use the one that ensures your content stays visible inside the cell. Select Wrap from the options. As soon as you choose Wrap, Google Sheets will automatically adjust the display of the selected cells. Long lines of text will break onto new lines within the same cell, keeping everything readable without overlapping into neighboring cells. You'll notice that the row height may increase to accommodate the extra lines. That's normal and expected because the content is now formatted to fit inside the cell's width. Wrap doesn't change your data, formulas, or content. It only changes how the text is displayed. It also respects any line breaks you may have already added, and it works with your existing alignment and font settings. If you don't immediately see a change, double-check that you selected the cells containing the longer text. Also remember that if your column is extremely narrow, you may see more lines and taller rows, which is simply the sheet making space so everything remains visible. And that's it. You opened your sheet on desktop, selected the cells, went to Format, chose Text Wrapping, and selected Wrap. Your text now fits neatly within each cell, making your spreadsheet cleaner and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Sheets.